What's going on, everybody? I'm here to show you how to style naturally curly hair for men. The two things that you will need are the Family Hair Care all-in-one hair care for all hair types and a pick. So first, what you want to do is make sure that you shampoo and condition your hair, or just condition your hair if you don't shampoo your hair that often. And after you condition your hair, make sure that you pick your hair out to get all the tangles out. As you can see, my hair is freshly conditioned. And after that, you will apply the hair product. The instructions say to use a quarter size amount, but dependent on your hair texture, you might need more. My hair texture is a little more thick and coarse, so I will be using just a little bit more, and I will be using this much. Now what you want to do is rub the product into your hands thoroughly, and once it's rubbed in enough, you want to apply it to your hair. And just rub it in completely until the product soaks in. Alright, and after you rub the product in thoroughly, the next thing you want to do is to pick out your hair again to make sure you get all the tangles out. Picking your hair also helps with soaking in the product in even more to help define the curls. And after you're done picking out your hair, just rub your hands through it again to make the curls a little more defined, so that way it's not sticking up from the pick. And after you do that, you're gonna wanna wait for around 10 to 15 minutes, wait for your hair to dry thoroughly so you could see the final result. And here you have the final result, nice defined curls. So again, all you have to do is apply a good amount of the hair product into your hair, pick it out, scrunch it up a little bit to get the curls popping, and bam, get the result.